Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how you can make money online very quickly. The site that I want to introduce to you today is BitHub, bithub.com. You can easily earn money online using this site. In fact, you can earn cryptocurrency by doing simple things. Things like manual facets, auto facets, PTC ads, short links, and referral links. And registration on this site is completely free. The positive point of this site is that you can receive your income immediately. To receive your income very quickly, you must open an account on the facet sites and click here for registration. Fill out the simple form. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The dashboard of this site is very simple. The main part of making money is here. You can earn money from these parts. For example, facet, PTC, short link, autofast, jackpot, offer war, lottery, and referral links. For example, we click on facet. It is very simple and you can collect points with a few clicks. They usually enter captcha codes and you can withdraw your earning. As we said, first you have to open an account on the Facet Pay site to withdraw money from this section. Enter the email you're registered in Facet Pay here. We enter the amount and enter the cryptocurrency we want to receive. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.